What's going on, babe? Good morning, girl. How are you? Oh, let's see. Sun's outside. I know. You got your water dirty already. Yeah, got that water dirty. So we got a Rubbermaid 100-gallon livestock tank here, and you know I've done videos where this thing's cracked and I've melted it with a like a little solder gun, put it back together. But over time, it's done it a few more times, different places. So I put it on some old poplar boards, kind of make sure it's evenly supported. This last time, I just bought some liners. It was actually a recommendation of another fellow person that commented on one of my videos. He said just use the liner. So I got one. Here it is. It's a Durafarm. I'll show you the pack here in a minute. But this one's designed for this Rubbermaid 100-gallon size. And you can see it comes with elastic. I don't know what there is, 4 or 5 liners. I'll go look at the pack. And then you get 2 of these. So when they wear out every month or 2, you can just swap them out. So, say hi. You want to say hi to the camera? Huh? Say hello. Alright, back in the barn here. You can see it comes in a pack, just a little Ziploc bag. They shipped it in a bubble mailer. Rugged stock tank liner. And like I said, there's different liners for different size. Just make sure you order the one that's appropriate for your size stock tank. So this was mine, 100 gallons. And they just give you, you know, some of the what all you can use it for in the sales pitch there. And they are convenient. And I'll check the price. I want to say it was like $40 with tax and shipping and everything. So you got 5 liners and, like I said, those 2 elastic bands. So there's some information. I'll leave a link down in the description below, or maybe I can put it in the comments section too. So let me know what you think, and if you try it and have success with yours, please leave a comment. Thanks a lot. Hope it helps.